improve your English through real-life conversations, you're in the right place.
And today, we're talking about morning routine.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Daily Talks. I'm Adam.
And I'm Grace. Thank you for joining us today.
If you want to improve your English through real-life conversations, you're in the right place.
And today, we're talking about morning routines.
So get comfortable.
And let's begin.
Good morning, Grace.
Good morning, Adam. You look fresh today. How are you feeling?
I'm doing great. I slept really well last night. How about you?
I'm doing well too. It's a beautiful morning, and I feel full of energy.
That's wonderful. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 o'clock. I love waking up early. What about you?
I woke up around 6:30 today.
That's not bad at all. What was the first thing you did this morning?
The first thing I did was drink a glass of water. It always helps me wake up.
That's a healthy habit. I do the same every morning.
Really? What did you do after that?
I opened my window, took a deep breath, and enjoyed the fresh morning air.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is. Then I made my bed and cleaned my room a little.
I like doing that too. A clean room makes me feel organized.
Exactly. A clean space creates a clear mind.
I agree. After drinking water, I stretched for a few minutes.
Stretching in the morning is always a good idea.
Yes, it makes me feel active and ready for the day.
Did you exercise too?
Yes, just for 10 minutes. Nothing too difficult.
That's great. Even 10 minutes can make a difference.
Absolutely. What about you? Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do yoga, and sometimes I go for a short walk.
That sounds relaxing.
It really helps me start the day with a positive mindset.
I like that. A positive morning can change your whole day.
I completely agree.
So, have you had breakfast yet?
Not yet. I'm planning to make breakfast soon.
What are you making today?
I'm thinking about toast, eggs, and a cup of coffee.
That sounds delicious. Coffee always makes mornings better.
I know, right? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat fruit, toast, and sometimes oatmeal.
That sounds healthy.
I try my best. Healthy habits make life better.
That's very true.
Do you write your goals in the morning?
Yes, I do. It helps me stay focused.
That's a great habit. What are your goals for today?
First, I have an online meeting. Then I want to practice English and read for 30 minutes.
Sounds like a productive day.
What about you? What's your plan today?
I need to finish some work, reply to emails, and read a book.
That sounds wonderful.
I'm excited about today.
Me too. The weather looks beautiful this morning.
It really does. The sunlight feels warm and the air feels fresh.
Days like this always make me feel motivated.
Same here. Sometimes a beautiful morning is all we need.
That's absolutely true. Before we go, let's learn something from today's conversation.
Instead of saying, I'm fine, try saying, I'm doing great, I'm doing well, or I feel fresh.
These phrases sound more natural in everyday English.
And remember this expression. A positive morning can change your whole day.
Practice these phrases today. Keep learning, keep speaking.
See you in the next conversation. Goodbye.